Welcome to our YouTube channel, Info News Diary by Farah Mansour. Today we are going to discuss about a topic we all can relate to, climate change, global warming and its effect on Pakistan. Pakistan is one of the most vulnerable countries to the effects of climate change. The country is already experiencing the impacts of climate change, including more frequent and intense floods, droughts, heat waves, and glacial melting. These impacts are having a devastating impact on Pakistan's people, environment, and economy. Floods. Floods are the most common and destructive natural disaster in Pakistan. The country is located in a monsoonal region, and the monsoon rains are becoming more intense and frequent due to climate change. In 2022, catastrophic floods hit Pakistan, displacing millions of people and causing billions of dollars in damage. Pakistan is also facing a growing threat from droughts. The country's glaciers are melting, which is reducing the amount of water available for irrigation and drinking. In 2021, a severe drought affected Pakistan's agricultural sector, leading to crop failures and food shortages. Pakistan is also experiencing more frequent and intense heat waves. In 2015, a heat wave killed over 1,200 people in Pakistan. Heat waves are a particular threat to the elderly, the sick, and the poor, who may not have access to air conditioning or other cooling measures. In addition to these major impacts, climate change is also affecting Pakistan in other ways. For example, the country is experiencing more extreme weather events, such as cyclones and thunderstorms. Climate change is also making it more difficult to grow crops, as the growing seasons are becoming shorter and more unpredictable. The impacts of climate change on Pakistan are already severe, and they are only going to get worse. The country needs to take urgent action to mitigate the effects of climate change and adapt to the changes that are already happening. Here are some of the things that Pakistan can do to address climate change. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This can be done by switching to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and reducing deforestation. Invest in adaptation measures. This includes building flood control infrastructure, developing drought-resistant crops, and improving early warning systems for extreme weather events. Raise awareness about climate change. This will help people understand the risks and challenges of climate change, and how they can take action to address it. Climate change is a serious threat to Pakistan, but it is not too late to take action. By taking these steps, Pakistan can help to mitigate the effects of climate change and build a more resilient future. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.